Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Grade 6. In this video, we'll speak about how to find the greatest common factor and the least common multiple. And start with greatest common factor. How to find the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor, or GCF. Yeah, GCF meaning the greatest common factor. I will speak about how to find the greatest common factor for 12 and 18. Okay, we have two ways to find the greatest common factor for 12 and 18, or two ways to find the greatest common factor for any two numbers. The first way, by writing all factors of 12 and all factors of 18. Factors of 12 are what? Factors of 12, we know that factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, and 6, 9, and 18. What the common factors here? What the common factors here? One is common factors for all numbers. One is common factors for all numbers. Forget it. But the common factors here are 2, 3 is common factor, 6 is common factor. I ask about what? I ask about the greatest one, GCF, the greatest common factor. What's the greatest here? Yeah, it's 6. So GCF for 12 and 18 is 6. This is the first way. But the second way, by using prime factorization. By using the prime factorization, we want to write the prime factorization for 12 and 18. 12, the prime factorization of 12, it's 2 times 6. 2 is prime. And 6 is 2 times 3. 2 is prime. 3 is prime. And 18, what's the prime factorization of 18? It's 3 times 6. 3 is prime. 6 is what? 2 times 3. 2 is prime. 3 is prime. What's the greatest here? What's the common factor here? Yeah, I ask about the common prime factors. 2 is common. 3 is common. So the GCF is 2 times 3 equals 6. Just write the common factors, the prime common factors between 12 and 18. 2 is common, 3 is common, so the prime, the GCF is, it will be 2 times 3, it equals to 6. Another example, I want to find the GCF for 24 and 30. Okay, the first way, write all factors of 24. Yeah, factors of 24 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6, 8, 12, and 24. Factors of 30 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. What's the common factors here? 2 is common, 3 is common, 6 is common. Yeah, just 2, 3, 6. What's the greatest one? Yeah, 6 is the greatest one. So the GCF is 6. The second way, by find the prime factorization for 24 and 30. The prime factorization of 24, it is 3 times 8, mister. Yeah, and 8 is 2 times 4. 2 is prime. 4 is 2 times 2. And 30, the prime factorization of 30 is 5 times 6, 5 is prime. 6 is 2 times 3, 2 is prime, and 3 is prime. What are the common factors here? 3 is common, mister. 2 is common, mister. Any prime common factor here? No. So the GCF will be 2 times 3, it's equals to 6. Okay? This is the two ways to find the greatest common factor. But now we will speak about how to find the least common multiple. Least common multiple. LCM. Yeah, so LCM meaning least common multiple. First, what's the multiples? Multiples of 12. What? Start from 0. Then 0 plus 12 is equals 12. 12 plus 12 it's 24. 24 plus 12 it's 36. 36 plus 12 it's 48. And we can complete to an infinite number. Yeah. Multiples of 18. What's the multiples of 18? 0, then 18, then 36, then 54, and so on. Can complete an infinite number of multiples for any number. What is the common here? 0 is common. 0 is common multiple for all numbers. Yeah, forget it. It's common for all numbers. But what's the second common here? 36. It is the least one. Yeah, it is the least common multiple. So the least common multiple for 12 and 18 is 36. Okay, this is the first way. What's the second way? By using prime factorization. Yeah, by using prime factorization. 12, we know that it's 2 times 6, it's 2 times 3, it's 2 times 2 times 3. And we know that 18, we can factorize it at 2 times 9, 2 is prime, 9 is 3 times 3, and we will write. Please focus in this way. Give me your attention, please. To find the LCM here, we will take all factors without repeating. Yeah. To find the LCM, we will write all factors but without repeating. How? 2 and 2. It's repeated factors. I will write it one time, just one time. 3 and 3. Repeated. I will write it at one time. But here is what? 2. I will write it. Here is what? 3. I will write it. So it's 2 times 3, it's 6 times 2 times 3, it's 6. 6 times 6, it's equals to 36. Yeah. Write all factors, but without repeating. The repeated factor written as one time. Written one time only, okay? Another example for find the least common multiples. Find the least common multiples for 20 and 25. The first way, write the multiples. 0, then 20, then 40, then 60, then 80, 100, and so on. 25, it's 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, and so on. What is the least common multiples here? What's the least common multiple? 0 is common, don't forget it. But the least common multiple here is 100. Yeah, least common multiple here is 100. Okay, the second way to find the least common multiple is by using prime factorization. 20 and 25. 20 is 2 times 10. Yeah, it's 2 times 5. 25, just 5 times 5, and the two are prime. To find the LCM, I will write all factors without repeating. What's repeating here? Just 5. This 5 is repeated. I will write it 5 times. Write all factors now. 2 times 2 times. Here is what? 5. Yeah, I will write 5. 5 times 2 to 10. 2 times 5 to 10. It's equals to 100. This is the way to find the least common multiple and greatest common factor for any two numbers. In this example, I will explain how to find the two. Again, I want to find GCF and LCM for 27 and 36. Okay, 27 and 36. And I will use prime factorization. 27, it's 3 times 9. 9, it's 3 times 3. Yeah. 36, it's 6 times 6. 6 is 2 times 3. 6 here is 2 times 3. All factors are prime. I want to find the GCF here and LCM here. GCF, just take the common factor. 3 is common, mister. 3 is common, mister. Nothing else. Just 3 times 3, it's equals to 9. Yeah. LCM, I will take all factors without repeating. 3 is repeating, I will write it one time only. Time it, the second 3, 3 times. What left? 3 times. Here is what? 2 times. Here is what? 2. Yeah. It's equal 3 times 3, it's 9. 9 times 3 times 2, it's 6 times 2. 12 times 9, it's 108. This is the least common multiple. Goodbye. See you later.